Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is Sister J. I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your support. Today I'm going to be making a Jamaican rum punch. Easy and simple. Stay tuned. So for the rum punch, I'll be putting in orange juice, pineapple juice, lime. You can use lemon if you don't have lime. I'll be putting in Jamaican cherry syrup, and I'll be using Jamaican rum. So for rum punch, we need sour, sweet, strong, and weak. I'm not going with exact measurement. I'm doing it Sister J's way. So my sour is the lime, 2 tablespoons of lime. This my weak, orange juice, 1 cup. Pineapple juice, 1 cup. This my sweet. So I'm gonna come in with some sweet. As I said, I'm not going with too much of measurement, but this like 3 tablespoons of sweet. Okay? I just put a little bit more sweet because I'm gonna come in with some strong. Yes. Now I'm gonna come in with my Jamaican rum. And for this, I'm gonna be using 2 shots of rum. And I'm gonna come in with another shot of rum. So there you have it. Jamaican rum punch. Sweet, sour, strong, weak. Pineapple, orange, lime, syrup, and rum. And there you have it, my Jamaican rum punch. And all I need to add to this is some ice. My Jamaican rum punch. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.